Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to remove profile picture on Facebook. So first things first, you have to make sure that you're using the latest version of your Facebook application. To do that, if you're using Android, then what you're going to do is go to your Google Play Store, tap on the search icon and then look for Facebook. If you're using iPhone, go to App Store, search for Facebook right here. And if you see the update button, what you're going to do is you have to tap on the update button and then wait as it is updating. Once done, you're going to open your Facebook application. And in order for you to delete or remove profile picture, what you're going to do here is you have to tap on your profile. Click your profile picture here and then tap on Edit Profile or See Profile Picture. Tap on the three dots at the top right corner and tap on Delete. So that's how you remove profile picture on your phone. When it comes to your desktop or laptop, all you have to do is log in your Facebook to any Google web browser, tap your profile, tap this one right here, and then you have to simply go to your profile, click your picture again, and then same thing, you have to tap on your profile and then click See Profile right here. Now you have to tap on the three dots and then look for the remove option. So if you're using a desktop, your profile picture will be removed and replaced with the default Facebook avatar. On your phone, your profile picture will be removed and Facebook will replace it with the default silhouette icon. So be careful when removing picture. It will remove also likes and comments. So basically, that's how easy it is to remove profile picture on Facebook. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.